All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all. Okay, welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Okay, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, we're Brainybite tutorials. Okay, so what we do in this channel is that we teach and give updates of everything that concerns Jamb, WAEC, update, NECO, and admission at large. Okay, so if you're a Jamb candidate, WAEC candidate, NECO candidate, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all the bell notifications so that whenever I drop any amazing video, just like the one I dropped now, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the update there. All right, so if um so YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the update. So I have a free update for people that will watch this video from beginning to the end. So if you watch this video from beginning to end, I want to share a little update at the end of this video that will help you succeed. All right, so if you check out today, we have today's topic as Lagos State University. All right, so ever since Jamb concluded their UTME examination, some persons have reached out to me asking me the next thing after Jamb UTME examination. For the fact that you knows the next thing after Jamb UTME examination does not mean that others didn't know the next thing after knows the next thing after Jamb UTME examination. So don't laugh at them when they ask the question, because it is not everybody that knows. Okay, so and as long as they don't know, they will definitely need to ask the question, and we're there, we help them and solve the questions for them. All right, so that's the reason why they need us. All right, so and I promise them that I'll be answering the question in the platform. So if you check out here, we have Lagos State University as the topic of today. So the reason why the reason why we have Lagos State University is because of it. We are going to talk about Lagos State University post UTME. So as we all know, the next thing after Jamb UTME examination, the next thing in line, it is post UTME examination that is conducted by the school of your choice. Okay, so let's assume that you choose Lagos State University as your first choice and your first institution. All right, so these people is the people you are eligible to buy their post UTME form, and they will screen you if they are not writing post UTME, and at the end of the day they will admit you. Okay, so that is basically how it is. But currently now, the Lagos State University post UTME form is not yet on sale. Okay, so that's the reason why I encourage you to be so that you can be able to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all the bell notifications, so that once the result is out, once the form is out, I'll update it on the platform so that you can be able to purchase your form. All right, so that's for that. Now another one, let me tell you the benefit, what I said I want to share for you. Okay, so we have a WhatsApp community. Okay, we have a WhatsApp community for our 2024 registered UTME candidates. Okay, so however, you yourself, you can also become our member. Just let me know in the comment section that you want to become our member, so I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number. You message me on WhatsApp, I will I will give you, after getting to know you, I will definitely add you on the WhatsApp page. So there in the WhatsApp group, so if you're a WAEC candidate, we'll be giving you WAEC answers for free. So if you're a NECO candidate, we'll be giving you NECO answers for free. All right, so and I will also share updated schools updated past questions and answers. All right, I will give it out to your school updated past questions and answers. All right, so I can study, and that you have our one for free. So you have our mentorship. All right, so any problem you have at all, we will resolve it for you. All right, so and the other one is that you can also meet you can also meet with your fellow aspirants, your fellow jambites in the group, communicate with them, make friends there. Also, we also have learning center, WhatsApp learning center, where you can be able to learn a whole lot, all right, as it concerns your exam. So there are a whole lot of benefit there. So very last one, most importantly, we we know that once you gain admission, you won't be able to be getting. It is not everybody that will be able to be getting some funds on their own, and as a result of that, we finding it very difficult, because some persons, they the allowance that their parents will be giving to them will not actually be enough for them, so they will look for a way to be getting some funds to help them do some other things, take care of some other things in the platform, so in the school. So that's why by next year we're going to launch our program by next year, and after we launch our program, it is only for our camp. It is only for all our candidates, all right, both previous years and current years, and and the years to come, all right. So you will benefit from there. Okay, so from there you can be able to save some money from the program. So save some money, take care of other things, and add up, you can get some cash from there. So just become our member, and so that once that is done, you get everything for yourself. All right, so this is where we're ending this video. Thank you for watching from beginning of this video to the very last side of this video. So until I see you guys again, for those that are joining us on WhatsApp, you're welcome. All right, so until I see you in the WhatsApp group again, don't forget I love you guys. For those that don't want to join us yet for now, so I love you guys. I love everybody. Okay, thank you so much for subscribing to our YouTube channel. So I really love you guys. So until I see you guys again, don't forget I love and cherish you guys. All right, peace out. Thank you all. Keep winning.